Action. Okay, this question I'm going to teach you in English, but it's not this question because this one I already taught you in Tamil. We are going to go a little bit more advanced. You all can understand what I'm talking, right? So, right now, we got a string, and then what we did, we just used it. We just printed it directly, right? So, this time, we are going to go a little bit more advanced, okay? We're going to create one more string. I'm going to create one more variable called as, can you give me another name? Come on.
Bharat.
Let's say B. Bharat's B. Yeah. We are going to read it again, okay? So, if I give Abhi plus B, what will happen? Can anyone guess? Think properly and tell me what will the output be. So, I gave 1, okay? So, inside Abhi 1 will go now. You all can imagine that, right? Now, I'm going to give 2. So, 2 will go inside B. You want to see what happens now? The answer is 1, 2. Like, you seriously can't understand, right? How can 1 plus 2 be 1, 2? There's no way this can happen, right? The thing is, entered 1, you got this one because there's a string here. When you entered 2, you got this 2 because there's a string here. You know, computers don't take any meaning when you give double quotes, right? So, absolutely, this one and this one will have no meaning. So, when you try to add this and this, you're only going to get 1, 2. Not 3 or 4 or something. If you want to get 3 or 4, then you have to give, without double quotes, you have to give 1 and 2, which is not possible in string. That's only possible in int, which is not part of this session, at least today's. Okay, so you got it right. Now anyway, so you know, this is going to basically concatenate in the sense it's going to join these two and then display it. So let's say I'm going to give some crazy input like let me just reset it. Assume I'm going to give some crazy input, okay? Let's say I'm going to give an at high and this one and this one. Okay, so what will the output be? Did you guess it? Who guessed this as the output? You guessed it. That's good. None of you guessed? Okay, I'll give you one more wild chance. I'll again reset it.
Takifa.
And one more name?
Pushpa.
Okay, what do you think the output will be?
Takifa and Pushpa.
Exactly. That's how it should be. You got it, no?
Yes.
So Takifa, Pushpa. Now tell me, how should I modify this code so that I want Pushpa first and Takifa next? But I want to enter Takifa first. Then I want to enter Pushpa. Okay, remember, when I type here, I'll type Takifa first. Then I'll type Pushpa. But when the answer comes, I want Pushpa first and then only Takifa.
C.
So we're going to change B
plus Abhi.
Exactly. So instead of Abhi plus B, all that you're going to do is you're going to do B plus Abhi. So now what will happen is, what's inside B? Pushpa, right? Pushpa will be printed first. And then what's inside Abhi? Takifa. Takifa will be printed next. So you're going to have Pushpa and then Takifa. So shall we try that? Okay, so now I'm going to enter Takifa first. And then I'm going to enter Pushpa. Remember, Takifa was first and Pushpa was second. Okay, you're going to have Pushpa and then Takifa. You can imagine what happened here, right? That's all you need to be a good programmer. Okay, so moving on to the next one. We are not going to leave it here. We're going to add some more funny things on it, okay? So one thing that I'm going to do is, see, imagine this is impossible without variables. If you're not going to use variables, you can't interchange like this and all, right? For interchanging Pushpa and Takifa, you need a variable. Only then you can store it temporarily and then put it later. You're understanding, no?
Yes.
Am I clear? See, if suppose these variables was not there, you can actually still do it. What you can do is, you can take this reach string, you can put it inside CL. You can take this reach string also, and you can put this also inside CL, right? So this is absolutely possible. There's nothing like this is not possible. So if I comment it, it won't work. You know that, right? So if we comment, this is called as commenting. You make it as a comment, it won't work. So now CL will basically read a string and then read another string, add those two and then print it. Now if we do it, here I'll enter Takifa. Here I'll enter Pushpa. It's going to give me Takifa Pushpa only because Takifa will come here, Pushpa will come here. Right, I can't make Pushpa come first. Right, because if I enter Pushpa, if I have to, like if I need Pushpa to come first, I have to enter Pushpa first. I can't enter Takifa first and I can't like have a Pushpa printed first. You're getting my point now. That's like impossible to do it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
In order to do it, there's only one way. I have to use variables so that I can store it and then I can interchange, use and do all those things. Now do you get why we need variables? You need to store things temporarily so that you can use it the way you want. For that you need variables. There's no other go for you. Okay. Now if I give Takifa, okay, and if I give Pushpa, you know it's going to print Takifa Pushpa. Even if I interchange this one and this one, is same read string only. Even after that, you know, right, if I give Takifa and Pushpa, it's going to print Takifa and Pushpa only. Because whatever I enter first, it'll read and it'll print it first. Whatever I enter second, it's going to concatenate and it's going to print it in that order, right? You're getting it, no?
Yes, sir.
You all got it?
Yes.
It's very clear, right? Just because I spoke in English, it's not clear for you, no? Everyone clear with it?
Yes.
Sure, Bharat? Okay. Now what I'm going to do is actually even this, I just showed you all these alternates because I wanted to show you how cool programming is. I'm not going to end here. I'm going to create some more variables. I'm going to manipulate it some more, add some more fun elements inside, and I'm going to print it. Shall we see? Okay, I'm going to add one more variable, string C equal to, let's say, hi. Okay. I'm going to add one more string D equal to C plus C. Now B, here I'll add a C and here I'll add a D. Okay, can you tell me what the output is going to be? I'm going to give the same Takifa and Pushpa, or T and F. Let's just not confuse ourselves. TA and PU. Okay, that's what I'm going to give. Or TA and just P. What will be the output that I'm going to get?
PU, hi.
No, TA. Here I'm going to give TA. And here I'm going to give P. That's it.
T-A-Y.
So TA,
P,
hi,
hi,
and then
P.
TA. P,
hi, hi.
Come on, you're going right, yeah.
PC plus C, TA, hi.
Wrong.
Sir, P, hi, T-A, hi.
Correct. So I'm going to give TA now and then P next. So first I'll get P, hi, TA, hi. Okay, P, hi, TA, hi. Just remember this, okay? So here's our RAM and we have our processor and display. We're going to use only this part of display. Let's not do this because we already did this in last question. So let's not do the same thing again. You know what's going to happen. We'll give an input. It's just going to respond to it. So we'll just see what happens on the console log. First, you're going to create a variable Abhi. So we'll create Abhi, and inside Abhi we have TA. So we're going to have TA inside Abhi. And then you're going to create another variable B, and inside B you're going to have the string P. Got it, no? So we completed this and we completed this. Now you're going to create another variable C. Okay, inside C you're going to have hi. Let's find where Takifa was wrong. She said PCC. The thing is, here there's no double quote, right? Which means computer will try to find a meaning for it. That means computer will try to find what this C is. What this C is high. What is high plus high? High. Right. So this high will go inside D. That means D will be equal to high. Okay. Now you're going to have pin mode 2 come output, which is for the microcontroller. We are not going to worry about this. We finish this. Now CL B plus. What is inside B? P. After P, remember, we gave an enter. You remember? So P, enter. Both will be inside B. After that, what's inside D? High. But here there is no enter because we just kept high only, no enter. And then what we typed inside Abhi? TA. But after TA we gave an enter. You remember, right? So TA and enter will be inside. And then there's C. Inside C there's high. That is why we got this output. Okay. So this will actually be printed as output. P, high, TA, high. Did you all understand this? Okay. Properly watch this video again and again. If you did not understand English, you'll definitely start understanding it. And then you're going to work it out exactly the way I worked it out. Okay. This is why I said I want discipline here. I want like real damn proper discipline here. If you don't follow discipline inside RAM, if you simply scribble like the way you scribble here inside this area, you won't even understand what output tracing is. So maintain this in a proper neat manner and maintain this also in a proper neat manner. This should exactly be like this. You can see it now. It should exactly be like this. Only then you'll get the output that we want. Okay, that's it.